Hi guys, and welcome back to Collingwood Squad. It's Millie, and today I am going to be showing you my slimy DIY slime. In my other butter slime video, go and check that one out. I did it yesterday. I said I'm going to be showing you this slime, and go down onto my channel, and you should see me making this one. But I did show you this slime in the video though. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and turn on post notifications so you can stay tuned for more videos that come out like this in the future. So now, let's get started. So, I'll get this slime out. This is the slime. It's a neon green slime. On camera, I don't know if it's like really neon, but yeah. So it's very stretchy. So that's good. So yeah. And now I'm gonna do a slime swirl and then show you from the top. So, oops. I just need to stretch it out. That's not a very good one. I'm going to do it off camera and then show you from the top. So I did a slime swirl and I will show you it now. So this is my slime swirl. I'm going to poke it now so we can do the poke test. It pokes. And now I'm going to do the bubble test, but obviously I can do it from that pie. So I'm back and I'm going to do the bubble test now, if I can, with this slime. I like the texture of this slime. And comment down below if you've ever did one of them. I did 3, but one of them went in on a slime smoothie, and I might show you that now in a minute. After I did a bubble. Hopefully I can do a bubble with this slime. Plus it's good to squish as well. You can't really do, you can, but not that much. So now I'm going to show you my slime smoothie. So this is my slime smoothie slime. I'll get it out now. It's this one here. And it definitely has the same kind of texture of this slime. Plus it has 2 charms, because charms come in with the slime. This poo emoji thing with a crown. And there's another one here, if I can get a star with a bow. So that's that slime. Bye guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.